Hello everyone and welcome to the Contrarian Investor. Today it's a very greenish day, so let's see कि कैसा portfolio किया. Overall the portfolio was up by 1.36%. We will see. So let's begin. Coming to the Nifty next 50 heat map. आज जो अगर हम देखें the major indexes which were green, कौन सा सेक्टर सबसे ज़्यादा परफॉर्म किया? इफ विल पुट देन +3%. इट वॉज फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर एंड कैपिटल गुड सेक्टर जो था आज उसने सबसे अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, ऑलमोस्ट अप बाई 0.3%. ऑल दी मेजर 3 स्टॉक्स इन कैपिटल गुड. if we will just keep the red, who was the what all sectors was Bajaj Holding, financial service was red and healthcare was red. Coming to the Nifty 50, nothing. यहाँ पे मेजर चीज़ें मूव नहीं की हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल बड़ी बड़ी जो कंपनीज हैं, इफ़ आई विल कीप, जैसे रिलायंस हैज़ नॉट मूव्ड मच टुडे, HDFC बैंक, ICICI बैंक, दे हैव नॉट मूव्ड मच. सो I don't know what is the reason they have not moved, but the biggest mover of the day, if you will see, only keep +3%. So automobile sector was in Nifty 50 the leader. All the auto stocks were up by more than 3%. The highest up was in this, I think, Bajaj Auto only 3.89%. Holding Bajaj Auto up by 3.89%. So coming to the today's portfolio, we will come to the equity segment. Okay, so the biggest gainer in today was, just the day change we will keep, was Exide Industries. It was up by 4%. So it has a, currently it is trading at 412. Target is somewhere near 450. So that's I am hoping the target is somewhere near 450 where I will sell. Hindustan Zinc up by 4% also, same, maybe due to the silver price shooting up, it has also rallied. Bajaj Auto up by 3.89%. With this, the stock has reached the target of a profit of daily 8.77%. What makes me happy is that I follow Nifty 500 for myself. So Nifty 500 is up by 1.12%, but the portfolio is up by 1.36%. So that is my benchmark with which I always try to keep my portfolio up. Okay, that's same goes for overall. Now coming back to equity, the biggest, rest all were 2%, 3% KPIT tag. The biggest profit and loss which I am having is the biggest profit I am having in Voltas currently, 11.87%, then Bajaj Auto, and then it continues. Coming to the day change, biggest loss was in United Beverage Limited, 2.93%. With this, the loss is of around 5%. Another 2-3% if will fall, then I will add more of around 50-60,000. Today I bought Axis Bank. हाँ, some quantity of Axis Bank I have bought. जो मतलब जितना मुझे खरीदना है उसका 1/3, 1/3 I have bought. So around 100 quantity I will buy. 32 I have bought. Slowly I will accumulate. Okay. Now coming to the ITC, down by 1%. Adani Wilmar Limited also down by 0.7%. Sanofi, rest all were green. So out of 26, 4 red, 22 green in the today's portfolio. Mutual funds is red because per आज ही update होके it will also turn green. So overall the portfolio is now green, equity is green, and the mutual fund is red, but after today ये भी green ही हो जाएगा. Now coming to the subscriber, where one of they have commented to analyze the, I think, Titan, Cams and Nestle. So I think Cams, Titan I have already told him it is now out of buying zone for me, but Cams surely I can check. Cams, okay, let's see Cams. Till the time being I will also open a screener to check whether fundamentally it should be traded or not. Okay, so we'll change it to from weekly to daily because I usually follow first a weekly time frame, तब मैं daily time frame पे आता हूँ. Okay, so okay, let's go back to the weekly. Its high was 5,000 plus. Let's come first here. CAMS. It is important that I should have Computerized Management Service Limited. First we will see the main cash flow. As I always keep, operating profit 624, cash flow is 442. Okay, not bad. Again it has maintained that level, 624, 442. Okay, so overall first यहाँ से cash flow accordingly it is a good company. Stock PE is sector PE के बराबर है. Let's see, stock PE is 42, ROC very good, ROE high, Okay, fairly valued also. Okay, not overvalued somehow. Now coming to the PE, let's see कि क्या पिछले 10 साल से जो इसका okay in the last 5 year average P पे है 10 साल पे it is also good 1 year. Okay, so slightly stock is not very much high valued. Coming to the latest quarterly result. Okay, latest quarterly result sales year on year it is decreasing. ओके पर मुझे लगता है ये सारे ही ऑल इट इज़ विथ ऑल दी कंपनीज ऑफ कैपिटल गुड, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. पीयर्स में देखें तो ऑल हैव डाउन नथिंग. ओके डिविडेंड यील्ड. ओके इट विल टेक टाइम. क्वार्टरली result it is good. Tax they are paying. Sales year on year it is growing, so it is overall a good company, nothing major to be concerned here. CWIP all good. Borrowing not much, better. Reserve borrowing अगर 73 crore they have a borrowing reserve of 1000 crore, so nothing regarding debt. Cash from operating activity is positive. Now coming to the promoter. Okay, it is totally owned by FIIs and DIs. Public is also 30%, but out of this 30% I am sure distribute होगा, so 27% is with public. Okay. So overall fundamentally no such issue. And if I'll go to the daily time frame, so just for the trade purpose, okay, it is good. If it comes to 3500 or that level, then it is a very good to buy. Otherwise for a short term target you can surely look for at least, if you buy here you can first resistances you can see 4250 you can aim, but if you come to 3500 it will be a very good buy level. So that is what the cams look. Nestle is a good, Nestle you can buy surely and you can have it in your holding for a good time frame. Okay, regarding our equity, what is the target of the overall, if I will come कि अभी मेरा जो सबसे हाईएस्ट में है नेट चेंज में Voltas I am hoping for at least 25 to 30%, and Bajaj Auto तो I am very much bullish till around 10,000 plus से पहले 25-30% is the minimum. Exide Industries I will book around 20%. Okay, so it is now in a bullish zone, so let's see. Overall Angel One as we discussed 2300 और 2000 इस पर ओवरऑल अगर आप देखोगे ना तो ऐसा आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अभी भी बुलिश होने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, क्योंकि मेजर जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स हैं दे आर स्टिल रिलायंस फॉर एग्जांपल सी, देन रिलायंस जो है रिलायंस इज स्टिल नॉट वेरी ग्रीन. रिलायंस वॉज डाउन, HDFC बैंक वॉज डाउन. मेजर जो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस आया था इट वॉज नॉट फ्रॉम दीज व्हाट वी से कि रिलायंस और HDFC बैंक मेजर कंपनी से. इट वॉज मेनली ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर ड्रिवन टुडे, क्योंकि आप देखोगे अगर तो द बिगेस्ट गेनर वॉज अराउंड हैवेल्स. पावर और ऑटो दो ने ही आज पोर्टफोलियो को अप किया है, उसके अलावा देयर वॉज नथिंग मच. रिलायंस या जो मेजर कंपनीज हैं वो अप नहीं थी. सो लेट्स सी, बिकॉज व्हाट आई एम स्टिल देखेंगे कि ये मेरा ब्रेकआउट कैंडल था. If I come on the daily time frame, for me this was the breakout candle. this अगर इसके बाद एक कंफर्मेशन कैंडल और रेड बन गया होता तो पिछले वीडियो में भी आपने देखा होगा तो आई वॉज श्योर शॉर्ट बियरिश, पर दी ब्रेकआउट कैंडल के बाद देयर इज नो कंफर्मेशन कैंडल जो रेड में क्लोज हुआ. नेक्स्ट डे इट हैज ओपन ग्रीन, बट समहाउ दिस इज अ गुड सपोर्ट विच इज नॉट ब्रेकिंग डाउन. बहुत ही अच्छा सपोर्ट है जो टूट नहीं रहा है. सो इट इज अ गुड साइन फॉर ओवरऑल ट्रेडर्स ऑल्सो कि at least we are holding this level in letter and spirit we can say, and in this zone only है. since मई से जो घूम रहा है it will I think वहीं पे घूम फिर के आ रहा है. मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सिर्फ since 4 month it is going on in a consolidation range. so it's good because जब भी आप देखोगे जब भी सपोर्ट पे आ रहा है ना it is taking a very good bullish candle. यहाँ पे टच हुआ it again gap up and green candle, it touched down then again continuously 3 brick candle. इसको टच हुआ अगेन इन बुलिश कैंडल. here it touched this level, then okay here it touched this level again bullish candle and it bounced back with gap up. again it touched. so overall it is a good support which is not breaking down, and support pay there is a good buying happening. that's why you see such a big bullish candles forming at this support. so overall this is a very good sign what I think for the market. and so that's all for the small update today. We will surely come your comment. You can comment the channel which you want, sorry, the stock. I will try to see the fundamental as well as technical, and then we can decide. If you are new to the channel, you can subscribe and stay connected. Thank you for watching.